Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on disabling the Wi-Fi adapter on Windows 11. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. From the Windows 11 desktop, go to the search bar at the bottom, search for Settings and then open them. In Settings, select Network and Internet from the left sidebar. Now select Advanced Network Settings from the bottom of the list. In Advanced Network Settings, the first section is Network Adapters. Here you can disable the Wi-Fi adapter. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Windows 11 tips and tricks.